China's steadily growing technology innovation capacity has driven high-quality development. China is one of the fast-growing countries in innovation over the past 10 years. China's innovation is growing fast as new industries are rising and old industries are upgrading. Technology are driving high-quality development with major achievement. China is going greener and reducing carbon, is opening up more and working with the other countries. China's economy has strong growth potential. Also, it faced both change and challenges. China is transforming fast with new industry, powered by high tech, high efficiency, and high quality. China stands out among global economy, and the reason is clear. China industry love innovation, which drives long-term growth.
Generally, development of research in China, there are very strong results. It is good for the world, not only for China. In Slovakia, photo panels are from China. Many parts are from, so we can change our portion of energy sources thanks products from China. China's influence is very strong because China has technologies, innovations, natural sources, and produce products for the world for very good price and quality.